Hello. Benji has a new friend. His name is Frederick. And if you watch him, this phone. Oh, apologize. Oh, there we go. If you watch him, he likes to show, and he's very protective of his spongy, because Frederick is your baby. Oh, so but you love him. He really does care for him. He cleans and everything. It's unbelievable. He cleans him, and it's just fantastic. So yeah, just a quick update. Oh gosh, it's been what, 3.5 weeks. I've got people knocking at my door. Sorry. Every other day, asking, if I'm okay. As you can see, yes. Well, I don't know if I've posted this before, because long story. But basically, I had a deep clean in my house. Yeah, until Benji starts feeding the mices, don't you? No, you don't do this. It's the millets, isn't it? But I've got arthritis and severe OCD. I don't mind sharing it, to be honest with you. But it's very debilitating. And so yeah, the mousy guy came out and put that. He calls them field mice, and that's his. I'm trying to entice him into this one. But it's very long. So yeah. I'm trying to get my life sorted. And Rhonda, I tell you what, you're a gem. Benji. Because it's strange, whenever people come in, they go straight to Benji. And he doesn't back away. He doesn't bite. He's just mentally insane. I think he's got OCD, but who knows? I'm joking. But anyway, so I hope you guys are fine, and I hope this video gets uploaded. Benji! Ooh.